Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Once again, my name is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and this is an ongoing video in my series of POTA Activator, POTA Hunter tips and tricks. So the question I got today was, should I check in with park officials when I go to a park? Well, that's a very interesting question. There's no rule, well, at least here in Canada, that says you have to check in with a park official. Courtesy tells me that I would, at least inform them what I am doing. I have done that many times in the past. Just told the park, hey, look, I'm setting up a ham radio antenna here. Going to be sitting on this picnic table here, just minding my own business, making some contacts with friends around the world. And most seem generally interested. Some will ask me what kind of antenna I'm putting up. So you don't have to the best of my knowledge. Different places around the world may have different rules, but at least here in Canada, and I think in the US and some of the other countries that I'm aware of, you don't have to. Courtesy though, I would say yes, just say, tell them what you're doing. And especially if they come up and ask you what you're doing, then be open with it. Now, here's what not to do. I know we're all proud to be POTA activators. Some of us have got hats and shirts and jackets and all kind. I don't have anything like that. Actually, I don't own anything besides the vehicle license plate on my truck with my call sign. I'm just not the type of person who wants to create a lot of unnecessary attention. But don't, under any circumstance, fly flags or banners or put something on your table saying that your park's on the air. I would really try hard not to create any unnecessary attention to yourself. Go to the park, set up, play ham radio, and wrap up when you're done and go home. You don't need to create any additional attention. Yes, I know we're all proud to be POTA activators. I get that. We want to promote POTA. We want to promote ham radio. I get that. But really, once you do that, here's what potentially could happen. First off, you just get a lot of people bugging you. You get park officials coming and asking you what you're doing more frequently. And the worst case scenario is you get deemed as a special use and then be told to pack up and leave because you don't have a special use permit. I have heard that happening. I don't know how often that happens. But again, don't just go there and play radio. That's what I do. I go to the park, I set up, and I leave. And sometimes I'll go in and talk to the officials, especially when have to pay a fee, like a day use fee or something like that. Or if I see a provincial crew member, I'll just say, hey, I'm going down there, I'm setting up, just what I'm doing. And most of the time they just go, okay, have fun. That's my tip of the day. Avoid creating unnecessary attention to yourself. Don't fly flags. Don't put up pennants. Have a jacket and a t-shirt that says POTA if you wish. That's your call. I went and bought all that crap when I first got into POTA, and I don't think I've used it once. Anyway, remember, you do you. 7-3. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye for now.